I never thought artificial intelligence could change my life. To me, it was something only tech experts or big companies used. I wasn't rich, I wasn't a programmer. I was just a regular person trying to make a living with my old laptop and a slow Wi-Fi connection. Every day felt the same. I worked hard, slept late, and somehow still couldn't save anything. Deep down, I knew there had to be another way to live. Something smarter, not harder. One night around midnight, I was lying on my couch watching random videos online. Then one video stopped me. The title said, "How I used ChatGPT to build a business in 24 hours. I almost skipped it, it sounded fake. But the comments were filled with real people saying it worked for them. So I watched. And something clicked in my mind. What if this wasn't a scam? What if people really were using AI to earn online? The next morning I opened ChatGPT. I didn't know what to type. My fingers just wrote, "How can I make money online using AI?" The answer didn't promise me millions. Instead, it asked me questions. It said, "Now, what are your strengths? What do you enjoy doing? What can you offer that helps others?" That simple conversation made me realize AI wasn't a robot that printed money. It was a partner that helped me think smarter. I started small. I had always liked writing. So I asked ChatGPT to help me write short articles about motivation and simple life lessons. The drafts were fast and clean, but they sounded robotic. I added emotion, stories, and my real thoughts. Then I posted them on Medium and LinkedIn. Within a week, one of those posts reached 10,000 views. Out of nowhere, someone messaged me asking if I could write for their website. That was my first paid job using AI. They paid me $150. It wasn't a lot, but to me it felt like the first light after a long tunnel. After that, I created a system. I let AI do all the heavy lifting, topic research, outlines, even grammar checks. I focused on adding a human voice. I realized that the best results happen when AI and human creativity work together. I wasn't competing with the machine, I was collaborating with it. Soon I had more clients than I expected. Businesses needed blog articles, YouTube scripts, and ad copies. I was using AI every day, not to replace me, but to make me faster. A job that took me 5 hours before now took less than 1. That meant more projects, more income, and more sleep. By the second month, I had made my first $1,000. It still felt unreal. I wasn't rich yet, but I saw the potential. AI wasn't the future anymore, it was the present. Then I started asking myself, how do I make money even when I'm not working? How do I earn while I sleep? I went back to ChatGPT and said, "Show me how to make passive income with AI." The suggestions blew my mind. It gave me ideas for digital products, online courses, voiceover templates, and automated content tools. The one that stood out was creating a digital toolkit for creators like me, something simple, useful, and easy to sell. I called it the Lazy Creators Toolkit. It was a collection of ready-made AI prompts, small scripts, and productivity templates. I built it step by step using ChatGPT to write descriptions, design layouts, and even help with marketing captions. I uploaded it to Gumroad, priced it at $25, and waited. The first week I sold 5 copies. I earned $125. The second week I sold 20 copies. Then in the third week something crazy happened. A YouTuber with thousands of followers mentioned my toolkit in his video about AI side hustles. Overnight my sales exploded. My phone kept buzzing with payment notifications. I sat there watching the numbers go up, feeling both excited and scared. Within a few days, I had made over $2,000 from that single digital product. It was more than I had made in an entire month at my old job. I couldn't believe it. I didn't run ads. I didn't have a team. It was just me, my laptop, and an AI tool that helped me organize ideas faster than ever before. That was the first night I went to bed knowing I was making money in my sleep. I woke up the next morning and checked my account again. Another 10 sales had come in. It felt unreal. It felt like magic, but deep down I knew it wasn't magic at all. It was just smart work powered by a new kind of intelligence that never gets tired, never complains, and never stops learning. I remember staring at the screen that morning, watching the numbers grow and feeling something I hadn't felt in years. Control. Not control over people or luck, but over my time. For so long I had traded hours for money. Now, finally, I was earning even when I wasn't working. It felt like a door had opened, and behind it was a new way of living. I started improving the toolkit, adding more useful prompts and small automation tools. Every update made people happier and sales kept growing. Soon, I had emails from strangers thanking me for helping them start their own AI projects. Some told me they used my toolkit to find freelance jobs. Others said it helped them create content faster. I realized I wasn't just selling a product. I was helping people gain freedom, the same freedom I was chasing. But not everything was easy. After the sudden success, I made mistakes. I rushed into new ideas, thinking everything I touched would turn into gold. I built 3 more digital products that didn't sell well. One week I earned $1,000 and the next almost nothing. That's when I learned one of the hardest lessons. Consistency matters more than excitement. AI can give you power, but you still have to stay grounded, patient, and real. I went back to basics. I studied what people actually needed, not what I thought was cool. I used ChatGPT again, but this time I asked it smarter questions. What problems are freelancers struggling with right now?
And what AI tools can help small businesses save time?
The answers became the foundation for my next projects. Instead of chasing quick wins, I focused on creating real value. Little by little, I started automating parts of my work. I used AI to schedule emails, reply to customer questions, and generate new marketing posts while I slept. The system became smoother each week. My toolkit became part of a bigger brand, a small digital studio that offered AI-based solutions for creators. I didn't expect it to grow this much, but it did. Within 6 months, I had earned more than $10,000 in total. People started asking how I did it. Some thought I had secret tools or insider tricks, but the truth was simple. I used what everyone else had access to, and I just didn't stop learning. I treated AI not as a magic machine, but as a partner. I still wrote, edited, and added human touch to everything. The AI helped me think faster, but the emotions, the storytelling, and the empathy, that still came from me. When friends asked if they should start using AI, I always said the same thing. Don't wait for perfection. Start small. Use AI to support what you already do. If you're a writer, let it brainstorm with you. If you're a designer, use it to test ideas. If you're a teacher, let it help you explain things better. The real power of AI isn't in replacing humans. It's in multiplying what humans can achieve. Sometimes people ask if I'm afraid AI will take over jobs. I always smile. I tell them AI won't take your job. Someone who knows how to use AI will. That's the real truth nobody tells you. It's not about coding or being a genius. It's about being curious enough to try. Looking back, I realize how much has changed in such a short time. I used to worry about bills every week. Now I spend mornings creating, learning, and helping others build their own systems. The stress hasn't disappeared completely, but it's different now. It's the kind of pressure that comes with growth, not survival. What still amazes me is that it all started with a free tool and one simple question typed on a quiet morning. There was no big plan, no investors, no fancy background, just curiosity and consistency. AI didn't give me a shortcut. It gave me a chance to see what was possible. And yes, I really did make $10,000 while I slept. But the money was never the most important part. What truly mattered was what it represented. Freedom, time, and the proof that one person with an open mind and a laptop could create something that used to sound impossible. Today, I still use AI every day, not because I have to, but because it keeps teaching me. Each update, each new model feels like another door opening. Sometimes I still sit back, close my eyes, and remember that tired person I used to be. The one who doubted everything, including himself. I smile because I know what I would tell him now. You don't need permission. You just need to start. That's the truth no one tells you about AI. It's not about the tool. It's about what you decide to do with it.